Hello, sweet friends. It's me, Shanna Warwick, your favorite artist, lunatic, warrior, goddess, princess, queen of mugwort. I decided to do a video for you today because, yeah, lots is going on. So this week I am at the farmer's market. That's tomorrow. That's in Corning, New York, right off of Market Street, and that's from 10 to 3. On Friday, I'm in Elmira, New York, and that is for 360 Aurora's midsummer event, and that is from 5 to 9. And I've been working my cute little tail feathers off, getting all different things ready for you. And yeah, that's what I got going on. Oh, another thing. Forgot, there was 3 things on the agenda. I also have an energy workshop that I'm doing Thursday evening. I'm doing it via Zoom. It's priced pretty cheaply. It's $33.33. And yeah, I just wanted to do this because I wanted to give tools again. You know, I've been doing different tarot card readings and in-person readings, and this is just my way of offering you some of the tools that I use on the daily, because I don't know if y'all have noticed, but shit just keeps getting crazier. And I fear, sorry y'all, I don't think it's gonna get any better anytime soon. I think the lows are gonna get lower, the highs maybe are gonna get higher. So we gotta kind of, you know, we're doing this sort of thing where we're dancing between the death of everything, while at the same time bringing in, you know, this rebirth. It's kind of this dual situation. I've been talking about it, others have been talking about it. I'm seeing it in myself. I'm seeing where, you know, I'm getting my mind blown, but at the same time, I'm feeling like I'm just gonna fall apart and die here on the ground, and that's gonna be it. So I'm really leaning heavily on these tools, and I wanna talk about that. I wanna talk about my practices, how you can practice, just offer suggestions, literally things that are helping get me through. So that will be Thursday night, and I, of course, don't remember the time right now because I'm on camera. I think it's from 7 to 8:30, but double check. It's all on my website. You sign up there. I'll send the Zoom link tomorrow at some point. And yeah, there'll be a Q&A time. It's also just a time for us to connect. You know, there is a dollar amount attached to it, but if there's any issues with dollars in your world right now, then please just reach out and I will gladly just welcome you in, because I just want to have a conversation. And yes, you know, you'll see me at the farmer's market, and yes, you will see me at the Aurora event, and I'll have all my goods, I'll have all my art, and you know, there's a lot going on there, but this will really be time for us to kind of zoom in and really dial in and think about, you know, the type of work that you're doing, the type of tools that you can use, and hopefully I can offer you some extra things. Ooh, you just saw my kitty in the background. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I've got some new pieces, a couple of new pieces I put on the website. The Learning to Swim scarf has been very well received. So if that's of interest, you know, let me know. And yeah, I will see you soon. I'll either see you in one of the 2 local events, or perhaps I'll see you tomorrow night at the workshop. Again, conversation. I want us to kind of come together and really talk. And yeah, that's what I got. So as always, thank you for being here. Thank you for receiving this email and watching this video instead of reading what I write out. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.